Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this RocHobby katana 1/18 scale Toyota Land Cruiser RC truck. This is ready to run, which means you buy it, it comes in a box with everything that you need. Basically, you have the truck that's already assembled, you have a couple of batteries, a charger, you have a wireless remote control, and some tools for you to change the tires. I don't think you'll ever need it, but you know, ready to run, that's what it means. And this truck is highly detailed, and this is a crawler truck. It's meant for climbing and crawling over, like, you know, rocks and sand and dirt and, you know, like tree stumps, as you can see here, and everything. And it's super fun. This is $179.99 on Amazon, and I think they currently may be sold out, but I've seen other people on YouTube review this one and they like it as well. And it's not too big and it's not super fast, but it's really high in torque in terms of power. This one does come with a higher capacity battery than another truck that I've reviewed that's just like this. That one is like about half the price, and comes with similar accessories, but the batteries don't last as long as this one does. And this one seems to climb a little bit better. Later on, you're going to see that it climbs you know, like a slope that I couldn't do on my other truck. So, you know, this is very fun, and, you know, it has working lights and everything, variable speed. So, you know, the more you pull on the trigger, the more power goes to the wheels. Obviously, it's full-time four-wheel drive. It's got suspension in every corner. The tires are soft and rubber, so it mimics like a real truck. You see real dirt on the wheels and everything, on the tires. So it's pretty cool. It's got a functioning hood, which is where you put the battery and connect it. Like I said, super realism. I mean, it looks just like a Land Cruiser. All right, guys, if you're interested in this, check out the link in my description, where you can hopefully buy it on Amazon. And I'll see you next time. Enjoy the rest of the footage.